Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the Pathology Clinical Report. The Pathology Clinical Report provides a comprehensive overview of all pathology-related requests and their corresponding laboratory test results within the practice. This report will enhance communication between practitioners and patients with easy access to communication methods, ensuring that patients are well informed, fostering better understanding and collaboration in their healthcare journey. Please note that in order for entries to appear on the Pathology Clinical Report, a Pathology Request will need to be created. For more information regarding the Pathology Request form, please refer to the Pathology Request user manual linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on the report screen. Click on the Clinical Reports tab to open the Clinical Review screen. Next, click on the Pathology sub-tab to open the Pathology screen. We will now take a look at the various fields and sections within this screen. Filters are tools or functionalities that allow you to narrow down or refine the results displayed on the pathology screen. Click on the Treating Practitioner drop-down menu and select the practitioner on which you want to filter. Please note that the practitioners on this list are the treating practitioners who have been loaded at the practice. For more information regarding how to add a treating practitioner, please refer to the Add a Treating Practitioner user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Report tab drop-down menu and choose the desired report type to filter the screen accordingly. Click on the Provider drop-down menu to select the lab to which the request was sent. Click on the Test Type field and enter the details of the test you want to search for using either the test code or description. You can filter the dates by clicking on the From and To Date fields to open the date picker, then selecting the applicable dates. Alternatively, you can enter the dates manually in the fields as well. Click on the Search Patient field and enter the patient's details such as file number, name, surname, ID, mobile number or medical aid scheme to find the pathology request or results. To clear all the information entered, click on the Clear Filters button. The Statuses section indicates the current stage of the testing process for the request. From here, you can tick or untick the checkboxes of the desired status to filter the list accordingly. All the information on the pathology screen is divided into columns to logically group related information together. We will now briefly take a look at the various buttons within each report displayed. Click on the Call button to make a call to the patient. For more information regarding how to make a call to the patient, please refer to the Making a VoIP Call user manual linked in this video's description. To send a text message to the patient, click on the SMS button. For more information on sending SMS messages, please refer to the Send an SMS user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Email button to send an email to the patient. For more information on how to send an email, please refer to the Send an Email user manual linked in this video's description. To create a task related to the pathology request, click on the Task button. For more information on how to create a task, please refer to the Create a New Task user manual linked in this video's description. Lastly, click on the View button to view the details of the original pathology request. To navigate between pages, click on the next and previous arrows at the bottom of the screen or click on the page number you wish to jump to. To change the number of items displayed on the screen, click on the Items drop-down menu and select the desired number.